So today let us study the 7th question and 7th solution. Before starting a solution, have a look into the question. Your question says, the following are the balance sheet of Bharat Limited as on 31st March 2019. So they have given liabilities and assets. Under liabilities they have given share capital. Under share capital they have given authorized capital, that is 10,000 preference shares of rupees 100 each 10 lakhs, 10,000 equity shares of rupees 100 each 10 lakhs, total 20 lakhs. Now next they have given subscribed capital, that which has been paid. Under that they have given 7,500 preference shares of rupees 100 each, fully paid 7,50,000. Next they have given 5,000 equity shares of rupees 100 each, fully paid 5 lakhs. Sundry creditors 30,000, bank overdraft 20,000. Now coming to the asset side, they have given leasehold premises 1,30,800, plant and machinery 42,200, patents 8,50,000, sundry debtors 76,500, stock in trade 65,000, cash in hand 500, discount on issue of shares 18,000, preliminary expenses 12,000, profit and loss account 1,15,000. Now here this is the old balance sheet. They have given the information about the adjustments. They have told that the company suffered heavy losses and was not getting well. The following scheme of reconstruction was adopted. So let us see what was the scheme of reconstruction adopted. So under that they have given the A point, the preference shares of rupees 100 were to be reduced to an equal number of fully paid shares of 50 each. So earlier the value of preference shares was 100. Now it has been reduced to 50 each. Now next they have given the equity shares to be reduced to an equal number of shares of rupees 25 each. So again in the previous balance sheet, old balance sheet, the value of equity shares was 100 each, fully paid. Now it has been reduced to 25 each. Now they have given the C adjustment. They have told that the amount made available be used to write off rupees 30,800 of the leasehold premises. So in the old balance sheet, the amount given for leasehold premises is 1,30,800, but now it has been reduced to only 30,800 for the leasehold premises. And stock, earlier in the old balance sheet the stock was 65,000, now the stock has been reduced to 15,000. And they have told that 20% of plant and machinery and sundry debtors and balance available of patents. So 20% of plant and machinery, on plant and machinery you are going to calculate 20%, and on debtors also you are going to calculate 20%, and whatever the balancing figure is remaining from the balance of capital reduction, instead of transferring it for capital reserve, you are going to take the balancing figure as the patents. Now next they have given journalize the transactions in the books of Bharat Limited. So let us journalize the transactions in the books of Bharat Limited. So here they have given the journal entries. So what are the journal entries they have given here? So first entry, as per the first adjustment, the preference shares of 100 were to be reduced to an equal of fully paid shares of 50 each. So old preference share capital is 7,500 into 100, that is 7,50,000. To new preference share capital, that is 7,500 into 50, that is 3,75,000. So from 7,50,000 minus 3,50,000, balancing figure will be 3,75,000. So this 3,75,000 has to be transferred to capital reduction account. So your narration will be being reduction of preference shares and equity shares. Now coming to the second adjustment, they have told that the equity shares to be reduced to an equal number of shares of rupees 25 each. So as per the old equity share capital, that is 5,000 into 100, 5 lakhs. Then as per new equity share capital, 5,000 into 25, it is 1,25,000. So from 5 lakh minus 1,25,000, you are getting a capital reduction amount of rupees 3,75,000. So your narration will be being reduction of preference shares and equity shares. Now next you are going to pass the entry for capital reduction account. So capital reduction account, from the first entry it is 3,75,000 and from the second entry it is 3,75,000. So total capital reduction is 7,50,000. Now from this 7,50,000 you are going to minus all the adjustments which has been given in the third C point, that is discount on issue of shares. It is 18,000. So this amount is given in the old balance sheet. Next they have given preliminary expenses 12,000. Again the amount is given in the balance sheet. Next they have given profit and loss account 1,15,000. Again the amount given in the balance sheet. Leasehold premises, the amount given in the adjustments 30,800. But earlier in the balance sheet it was 1,30,800. But as per the adjustments they have given only 30,800. Next they have given stock. As per the new adjustments they have given 15,000. So take only 15,000. Next they have given plant and machinery. Plant and machinery, on the amount given in the balance sheet, that is 42,200, you are going to calculate 20%. So you will be getting 8,440. Next they have given sundry debtors. That is sundry debtors given in the balance sheet is 76,500. But now on that you are going to calculate 20%. So it will be 15,300. Now the balancing figure from 7,50,000 minus all this amount, you are getting a balancing figure of 5,35,460, and this has to be transferred to patents account. So to patents account, balancing figure 5,35,460. So earlier we usually transfer it for capital reserve account balancing figure, but now since they have given in the adjustment the balance available of patents, or the balance has to be transferred to patents account. So whatever the balancing figure is there, we have taken it as patents.